Sultan Salahuddin Ayyubi 1137–1193. Salahuddin was the founder of the Ayyubid dynasty and is one of the most celebrated figures in Islamic and world history. He is remembered not just as a brilliant military commander but as a symbol of chivalry, justice, and mercy. Key facts: full name Yusuf ibn Ayyub. Title: Salahuddin. Meaning: righteousness of the faith. Place of birth: Tikrit, modern day Iraq. Major achievement: the liberation of Jerusalem, Beit al-Maqdis, from the Crusaders in 1187. Why is he famous? The conquest of Jerusalem. After the Battle of Hattin, he recaptured Jerusalem after 88 years of Crusader rule. Unlike the Crusaders, who had shed much blood when they first took the city, Salahuddin granted amnesty to the inhabitants and allowed them to leave safely. Chivalry with enemies: his most famous rival was King Richard the Lionhearted. History records that when Richard fell ill during the war, Salahuddin sent him fresh fruits and ice to help him recover. This act of kindness earned him immense respect in Western literature and history. Simple living: despite being the ruler of Egypt, Syria, and Yemen, he lived a very humble life. When he died, it was discovered that he had no money in his personal treasury because he had given all his wealth to the poor and to build schools and hospitals. A famous legacy. Even today, historians across the globe cite Salahuddin as the perfect example of a warrior saint, someone who fought bravely on the battlefield but remained deeply spiritual and compassionate in his personal life.